pretend you just saw a long segment of time-lapse sanding, okay? Ta-da! I'm happy with that. Looks nice-ish. It's definitely rigid. So that'll do for the legs on my lathe table, with this side being the visible front. I made a start without you again. I've got the front legs attached, two nice big hinges. It's all squared up. I've got some more pallet wood, 4 of these, dressed in the thicknesser. So what I'm thinking of doing now is joining 2 of these together to make the side, and same on both sides. Better play with this the right way up, otherwise I'm liable to make a bad mistake. So that's the top, that's the back, which makes that one the left side. That's the back, that's the top. That could have been real confusing if I had that upside down. Now I need to cut those lugs to bring those edges, those sides closer together. Pinch my finger this time. Greedy. Okay, I'm going to see the nurse. Okay, it's looking good. It works well at going up and down and whatnot. But here's the flaw. I didn't consider the buttons. I could move the lathe over. So I think what I might do, and I can do because it has no practical application, is cut a wedge from up here and cut it down to there, that corner. That little cut made a significant difference. So I got my little handle on. It's nice and strong and solid, and it looks pretty. It wasn't even necessary on here, but I did tinks of it and I did make it, so I thought might as well put it on. It was a learning experience. That's what it's all about, because I am definitely a novice with this lathe. But it's pretty much done now. Oh no, there's one more job to do, and that's the positive lock at the top. I made a little button to put in it yesterday, but discovered it's too small. So I'm going to do another one. And having turned some of that fence post yesterday, I think I'll do it with that again today.